Hello, good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basavaraj Koche, welcome you all for today's lecture of Marketing Management. This is module number 1, video number 11. In previous class, we have discussed the various objectives of marketing research or market research. Today, we shall discuss the process of marketing research. We have understood the meaning of marketing research, the importance of marketing research, how marketing research is important for various people, then the scope of marketing research, and after that, we have also discussed the objectives of marketing research. After understanding all these things, it is very much essential that we should know the process of marketing research. Without knowing the process of marketing research, our knowledge about marketing research would be zero. So, to upgrade our knowledge, it is very much essential to know the process of marketing research. In this process of marketing research, there are 6 steps which are very important in whole process. Let us begin with the steps or process of marketing research. In this process, the first step is problem identification. The first and foremost step is in the marketing research process is the identification of problem. For which problem or for what reason the research is to be conducted. Unless and until the problem is recognized clearly, there will be no use of conducting market research. No clear-cut plan can be formed, leading to waste of resources. If we don't have the problem or proper problem, we may not be having a proper channel of research. So, first step is to identify the problem. Like how doctors, before starting any medicine, first they try to diagnose what is the problem. Similarly, before starting the research process, the first step is identifying the problem. If we know the problem, we can research in a proper way. Then, second stage in marketing research is research plan formulation. It consists of strategies that is to be followed for solving the problem. In first step, we have identified the problem, and after identifying the problem, it is very important to prepare a proper plan for conducting the research and trying to solve the problem and achieving the required objectives or goals. So, it involves various data sources from which data is to be collected, various research approaches, contacting ways, sample method, questionnaires, etc. etc. So, the overall plan of marketing research is to be done in the second stage of market or research plan formulation. The third step in marketing research is acquiring and gathering information. Once we have identified the problem, we have prepared a proper plan of marketing research. Now it is our duty to acquire and find out or gather the required information. It is one of the important steps in the process. Its focus is on collecting of all required information using various data sources so that the result will come true and fair. So, this process is very important because collecting and gathering the information and verifying the authentication of that data is very much important, which we do in this third stage of or third step of market research or marketing research. The fourth step in market research process is interpretation of information. We have collected all the information, but the successful collection of all required information, a symmetric and proper study is to be done on that data. So, to conduct a successful analysis of all collected information to get details in accordance with the research plan. As per the plan, whatever data we have collected, it need to be interpreted, analyzed, and a systematic and synthesized process of interpretation is to be done. Then only the process is going in a right direction. After that, the fifth stage or fifth step of market research or marketing research process is result presentation. In this step, all the findings of the process are presented to management team for the research to take efficient decision making. After identifying the problem, the plan was prepared. After planning, the data or information was gathered. After the data and information was gathered and acquired, we interpreted, we analyzed, we sorted and made the arrangement in such a way that the authenticated and proper data was collected and a result was prepared. After this result is prepared or a report is prepared, this result or report is to be presented in front of the management team which is going to take decision about the marketing research or about the marketing areas. So the team who is going to make decisions, the information or the interpretation of the data is to be presented in the form of result in a proper way. This result presentation should happen in such a way that the relevant points in detailed and a complete cover of all problem, research plan, acquired information and interpreted data should be presented in such a way that it becomes smooth and easy to take decisions at various levels. The moment we prepare the result, we need to prepare it with various tools like charts, graphs, diagrams, etc., so that the concept and the ideas are clear to the management team. Because if the concept and ideas are not clear to the management team, the decision will not be happening in a proper way. So the result presentation should happen. Then last stage in marketing research process is decision making. The decision making is the end of the marketing research process. Once the results are presented to the management team, they use this research information in their decision making. Once the process of result presentation happens to the management team analyzes the results of the marketing research, try to apply the results on the practical problems which they are facing, analyze the situation, think in all dimensions and then make a decision or come to a conclusion about the decision making. So this is the overall process of marketing research. That is number 1, problem identification. Number 2, research plan formulation. Number 3, acquiring and gathering information. Number 4, interpretation of information. Number 5, result presentation. And last is decision making. So this is the marketing research process. With this we shall stop here. If you have any questions, doubts, queries, you all are always welcome with doubts. You all can contact me through a call, message or a text message or WhatsApp message, whichever is convenient to you all. but get the doubts cleared. This question may come for 5 marks or 10 marks, stating, or the question will be like, explain the process of marketing research. You should write these points and explain them in a relevant way. So we'll stop here. Thank you. Good day.